Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious yogurt milkshake. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of your favorite yogurt, 1 cup of milk, and about 1 cup of fresh or frozen fruit. For a touch of sweetness, have 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup ready. This combination ensures a creamy and flavorful base for your perfect treat. Now that you have all your ingredients, it's time to blend them into a delightful concoction. Carefully pour the 1 cup of yogurt, 1 cup of milk, and 1 cup of fruit into your blender. Don't forget to add your 2 tablespoons of sweetener. Secure the lid firmly, then blend on high for about 30 to 60 seconds. You're looking for a perfectly smooth and creamy consistency. Making a yogurt milkshake is fun, and customizing it makes it even better. Feel free to experiment with various fruit combinations, perhaps a mix of berries and banana. For an extra aromatic touch, try adding a ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you prefer a thicker, colder shake, toss in a handful of ice cubes before blending. The possibilities are truly endless for your unique creation. Your delicious yogurt milkshake is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully pour the creamy mixture into a tall, chilled glass. For an appealing presentation, you might want to garnish it with a fresh fruit slice or a light sprinkle of granola. This homemade treat is not only refreshing, but also packed with goodness. Take a moment to savor every sip of your perfectly crafted beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.